We have a lot of data around us. Our lives are increasingly going to be driven by everyday data, and every day, data will actually drive our lives. That's the switch that we think we're having. And we're moving in that direction very clearly. And one of the things that we've been noticing is that everything is digital. I think you may have noticed that as well, just guessing, right? Over the last 50 years or so, we've been taking everything that are physical assets and putting them into digital form. Basically, it's like we've been in a big monastery and we've been actually writing everything down, right? Transcribing everything, transposing it from physical form atoms to digital form bytes and bits. There's also a lot of engineers, and there are a lot of people that have some basic engineering skill, not just formal engineers who come from the top 10 universities, but there are lots of engineers coming from many different countries on the planet. They have different ways of thinking and different ways to combine these digital assets to create value for some set of people. We know that people want to get more value from their data. We know that people don't want only their data to be secured by a few large entities. We know that people don't know how to live with their data. We know people don't know what data means. We know people don't want to go home at night after a long day of writing articles and being journalists and have to manage their data dashboard. We know they don't want to do that. But we also know they want to get value from their data. We know that they want to get value by participating in society. And we know people want to participate in society. And so the question for us is how? How can they do that? Right? And when will they do that? And what will it take to do that? And we don't think it's going to happen just on its own. So there's just a greater possibility of making different kinds of stuff, different kinds of value. And then finally, we have all kinds of connectivity. And when you put all of these things together, you get network effects and not linear effects. And once you have network effects, you can suddenly start changing again the way we live.